Hello, I trust you'll be doing amazing. This is Forex Empress coming to you again. So, we're going to be doing the part three of our series that we started some time ago, how to use your trading view. Okay, so we talked about three most used forex trading platforms. If you watched our previous videos, you'll get to know them because we've talked a lot about them. So we have the MT4, we have the MT5, and then the trading view. I personally love the trading view because the trading view has more tools for you to use. A lot of tools in the trading view platform for you to actually use. And then you have a very nice chart that is able to save all the charting you've been doing. So the tools you've put, like this ones, the arrows and boxes and everything you see have been here for a very long time and they're still here. So you the beautiful thing is you don't have to log in with a brokerage account. You don't have to. You can just sign up on tradingview.com, and then you log in, you have access to the charts. But if you have an account with any of the brokers they support, then you can actually trade with them on TradingView. But depends on which part of the world you're accessing TradingView from. Actually doing this from Nigeria, and a lot of the brokers don't support the use of they don't support Nigerian um traders, not because they don't want to, but they haven't really opened it to the Nigerian market. Okay, so this is the interface on your phone. As you can see, I'm doing this recording from my phone. Okay, so you see at the bottom here you can sign out. This account is already logged in. Okay, so you have your settings. You can change the language to any language you want to change it to. You can check your watch list from here. If you want to hide the logos, you hide the logos and all that. You can also check some things about your chart here. If you want to hide the toolbar, switch to new toolbar and all that. So contact info. So trading view, you can contact them on any of these. So when you download your trading view, the first thing you want to do is to log in. And once you've logged in, your interface will look something like this. Of course, you can change your theme. I have always loved the dark theme, but if you are someone who likes bright screens, then you can use this. But me, I use the dark screen. Then for TradingView, you have more advanced tools you can use, but then you have to subscribe. Okay, and their charges are not that high. As you can see, per month depends on the one you're using, but the one I'm using here is the free subscription. Okay, if you want to refer someone, you can do that. The social media help center, blah blah blah. So let's go to our chart now. When you come to your watch list is where you have your different pairs. Okay, and then you can actually add a symbol at the bottom of your watch list. You can click on add a symbol. It should show you different symbols, including a lot of cryptocurrencies. Okay, if you can actually do your crypto analysis on TradingView. You see why it's very beautiful. You can get the crypto pairs from Binance and a lot of other platforms, Bitstamp and many others. You can literally trade anything on the trading view. Analyze, actually, you can only trade them when your broker actually makes these pairs available for you to trade. But you can do your analysis here. I do my analysis on Bitcoin here, so I think it's already added somewhere. But anyways, if you look at it, you see so my chart just changed. Something is not right. What? Anyways, so on your watch list, you have if you want, if for example you can see these red what I call them flags. Now you can use this for, you can only use the red for your free subscription. So you have red, green, you have blue, you have different colors, but if you choose another color apart from it, we tell you to actually upgrade. So once you have marked anyone, for example, I marked this pairs because I'm watching out for trades to pop up in them. So if I want to see those, only those charts I've marked, I come to red list, and you can see only the ones that I've marked are here. If I was on a paid subscription, then I would have had maybe green list, blue list, and all that. So for example, if you're on the paid list, you can use your red list for sell. So you say these pairs are the pairs I'm expecting a sell on. If you use the blue, you can say these pairs are the pairs I'm expecting a buy on. So it actually makes your work easier. But then your whole watch list, all the pairs, your watch list consists of all the pairs you've added to your trading list. And here you can add a new watch list and name it. So even here you can put buy trades, you put it there, then you select the pairs you want to buy on, or you put sell trades and all that. Okay, so this is your watch list, and when you hold on anyone, it pops this out for you. You can click on your chart here, you click on the symbol info, you can delete it. Okay, then you can actually arrange, let me see if this does that. No, it doesn't. Okay, all right, so let's go to our chart. Now you can see this. Before now my chart was different, but somehow it's changed, so I would like to change that back. So how do you do that? At the bottom here you can see your pair. This is GBP NZD. Here you can see the chart time frame. So if you click on it, you see different time frames. You see on your MT4 and MT5 you only have you only have the 1 minute, you only have the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month. But if you come to the trading view, you see you have in seconds, you have in minutes, in hours, in days, and you even have in range. Then you can even add your own custom, interval. All right, so if you want to add 12 hours, you can add that. If you want to add, which one is not here, you can add any time frame you want. So here you change to any time frame you want. H4. All right, then when you have a plus sign here that helps you to add different things to your chart. So you have your drawing tools. If you click here, you can see different drawing tools. Now you see there is one for measuring, that's your ruler, so it indicates that that's what you've chosen. But then you have your eraser. You want to erase anything, you want to lock it, you want to lock that particular drawing where you've put it, you can lock it. The magnet is there. So you want to draw your chart, you can do all that. You want to hide, you want to remove, remove drawings. So when I do that, every drawing that was on this screen goes out. So all the drawings are gone. Okay. So click on the plus sign. We have different drawing tools. These are the ones I've marked as favorite, but if you come down, you see different kinds of trend lines you can use. Come here, Fibonacci and Gann, different things, geometrical shapes, brushes, curves, and all, arcs, notations. You want to put text on your chart, you can do that. You want to drop a note, different things, price label, call out, balloons. You see a lot. Then patterns, if you use a harmonics pattern, the Elliott waves and all that, you can actually draw them on your chart here. So you have different patterns, prediction measurements, and all that. You can see a whole lot, but then you have to learn how to use each one. These are my favorites that I've chosen because I use them from time to time. You have the price range that tells you what's the price between the pips between a particular price and another price. Line cycle, text, brush, date plus range. So a whole lot that you can use. It's very good for exploring. Okay, so that's for the drawing. If you click on the pen here, you can easily bring out, just your favorites and all. If you click on the plus, there are some other things you can add. So on the plus sign, you have indicators. If you want to add any indicators, you see technicals, financials, community setups, and all that. So you choose what you want to add. On the plus two, you can see alerts, financials, templates. Click on templates. So I have my template, which is the one that is here, which is what I use. Okay. You can do you can save any templates that you want, and it's custom to you. So whenever you come on your chart, you just focus on that. All right, so if you want to share your chart picture, you want to save it as a chart image, you want to share the chart to someone else, you can do all that. You want to share the link, you can do all that. So you can see this is really amazing. You want to publish your idea, so you've done your chart, you think you've done your predictions, and you feel this is where the market is going. You can share those ideas on another space that we have. That's where you have ideas, you can actually share it here. Okay, so the three dots there has different things: alert management, chart type, layout type, and all. So you can see if you want to use one or two or more layers, you have to go to a higher package. Okay, but you can see there are a lot of layouts you can use and choose from. Okay, so chart settings. Something happens to my chart and somehow it's not the way it's supposed to be, so I'm gonna change that. All right, so this is the beginning of changing that. Some things I still need to change. So yes, here, on your MT4 and MT5, you only have 3 types of charts. You have the candlestick chart, you have the bar chart, and then you have the line chart. These are the 3 popular ones. But then if you look, there are lots more charts you can use. Some of them are only available for the subscribed package. You see, so they are available for the subscribe package. So there are some places, some time frame you won't be able to go to. Candles. So we use a candlestick chart because it's one of the best that you can actually use. Okay. So you want to save your template, or you save your chart. After everything you've done, you can save that up there. So there is a whole lot you can do here. So much you can do here. So when you come to ideas, you can see different people's ideas and what they think the market is going to do. You have the editor speak, you have all the ideas that people have written. You can see them here and all that. So you can follow any of these if you're someone who is learning Forex. You can choose one of these to follow if you are taking the self-thoughts route. Then you have news for stocks, for crypto, for currencies, indices, futures, bonds. You can see so many things you can trade. So for currencies, you can see the different news, the dates, and all. Okay. So that is basically about it. It will take a longer class to show you each and every one, how to use each and every of the things that we've talked about. So I told you that my chart was looking different and I want to change that. So what I do is just to click on the candles and it takes me here. So I love bright green, yes, and I love bright red. Okay, still not done. Go back. Bright green, bright red, then the wicks. Oops, bright green, bright red. We have this backwards. Okay, yeah. Ta-da! So this is how I love my screen, how I love my chart. If you watch the part 1 and part 2 of this series, you'll see that all my chart, both in MT4, MT5, trading view, they are all consistent. Okay, so this is where we'll leave it for today. So this is just a run through of what trading view looks like. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and see you very soon. Bye from Forex Empress.